Meaning of mailer.
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 Mailer. In general, a mailer refers to a person or system that sends out mail or messages. Specifically, it can refer to the software or service used for sending out bulk emails or direct mail marketing campaigns. This type of mailer often includes features such as tracking and reporting on the success of the campaign, and may also include features for managing mailing lists and targeting specific audiences. Additionally, in some contexts, mailer may refer to the physical piece of mail itself, such as a brochure or advertisement that is sent to a recipient's mailbox.